And for this experiment, we're gonna need apples. Let's check it out in close up. You got an apple, but you wanna split it with your friend, but you don't have a knife. So how would you break it in half? So the easiest way is put your finger in between like that, in the middle, and just stamp it on your finger like that. Let's check it out. And you got half one right here and the other half right here. Let's try this again. I think I stamped on it way too hard, so just hit it a little bit lighter. Oops. So you see? And you got it in half. I kinda start, hitting it too much, but very simple way to break it in half. For this experiment, we're gonna need dish soap, milk, food coloring, plate, and the ear cleaning thing, you know what I mean? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour milk first, in a plate. Then we're gonna make couple drops of food coloring, of red, green right here, yellow. What else? We got blue. We can put some green over here again. Let's put some yellow over there, a little bit more. Anyways, then we're gonna grab our dish soap and soap it up with a stick like that, all the way. All the way. You see how much there is? And then we're just gonna stick it in there. Look at this craziness. Today I'm gonna try to open a beer with the CD. Let's check it out. So the idea is hit it real hard over here, and so it will fly out. Alright, let's do this. Like, do this kind of motion, like with the wrist, and as hard as you can. But not the bottle, the cap. That's it. That's how we open a beer, just with CD. For this experiment, we're gonna need a tuck pin. Please let me know how do you call those things in English. So let's see what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna grab it by the end like that and do that. Check it out. It just spins like that. Can you do that? If you don't, I'm gonna show you how to. Alright, check it out. This is how you're gonna hold it. Like that, put it in your middle finger, the F finger, a fourth finger, And then you're gonna do like a snap your fingers, And then you just snap your fingers and it stays like this. Pretty cool, huh? So you can challenge somebody to do that, and if they don't know how to do it, they're gonna fail pretty hard. Let's try this again. Pretty amazing, huh? For this experiment, we're gonna need balloon, squirrel, the bamboo squirrel for shish kebab, the grilling thing, and some soap. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blow up the balloon, and then we're gonna try to put the squirrel to the balloon. You see? You see it popped easily. Let's try this again. This time, I'm gonna put soap on my fingers like that, soap it up, and put that soap on this curl right here. Like, soap it up pretty nicely, And let's start to do the same thing, see if it will work. Right here, to this bottom, on the top. Let's see. You see, it didn't pop this time. Ouch. And then we're gonna come out on the other side, check it out. You see? You see, and it's not popped. So, and as you can see, I stick it on the side and it pops. So you have to do it from the top and the bottom. There is less tension on the stage whenever you blow up, because it's stage on the stage and less stage is on the top and on the bottom. You see what I'm saying? And for this experiment, we're gonna need buttermilk, food coloring, plate. Let's get to it. First, we're gonna pour buttermilk in the plate. Then we're gonna grab our food coloring and drop it in one place like that. There's green, there's yellow, there's red. And then we're gonna need a little bit of soap and just drop a little bit over there. Check out what happens. Isn't it intense? Let's drop some over here. Pretty amazing, huh? Drop some over here. Pretty crazy, huh? Look how it all goes down like that. Pretty cool experiment, huh? You can drop all the way in there. Look, it's starting to go right here. Awesome, huh? Stop with these bubbles. Anyways. I'm gonna use the plasma ball to make some cool experiments. Check it out. Turn it on. You cannot see because there's too much light. Let me turn off the lights. Now, today I'm gonna try to put a piece of aluminum foil and see what happens. Kinda small pinch. Ah, that hurt. After a while it's starting to hurt. Oh, that's cool. Check this out. And for this experiment we're gonna need a beer. And you know, sometimes you don't have a can opener, so how can we open it? All you're gonna need is a piece of paper. Let's check out how we do it. So this is how we do it. We're gonna fold it a bunch of times. So you got surface with a lot of, like, you know, folds like here and normal right here. So let's check it out how we do it right here. Gonna grab it down like that and open it. Pretty cool, huh? With a piece of paper. For this experiment we're gonna need matches. We're gonna need like 4 matches. We're gonna stack one match and put it to the other one quickly. And blow it out. As you can see, we got these 2 matches right here. So once we're done that, we're gonna need another match and set it up like this. Okay, we're done that. And then you challenge somebody to pick up all the matches with the one match. Everybody will be trying to do something and fail, and this is how you do it. You pretty much pull on these 2 matches. You see the one match drops and then you lift it up. See what I mean? And you won the bet. So this is how you set them up. You grab by the bottom of the match and the top of these 2 matches. And like just like that. Pretty easy. Takes a little bit of practice, and then you ask somebody to pick up all the matches with one match. They're gonna be trying, most likely fail, but then if they give up, you can show them. You grab and push on these 2 matches, 3rd match drops down, goes in between of 2 matches and under match, and you pick up all of the matches. Check it out. Pretty insane, huh? Pretty cool. And if you pull it out, it's false. Fire extinguisher, you wanna have it close by because we're gonna use lighter, vodka and shot glass. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna challenge somebody to pick up the glass with your palm. Not with your finger, but with your palm. You know what I mean? This is, you cannot do that, you know? You see, you're still using your finger. So, but otherwise it's impossible, you know? Because that would be using your finger. So, if they give up and don't know how to do it, you pretty much put some liquor like vodka or higher that will burn and light it up and put hand into it. And you see, you picked up the bottle, and you see, not just picked up, you can turn it over and like sideways, and all your fingers are up. You see what I'm saying? So that's the bet. You can win if they don't know what kind, how to do it. And tell me, how does it work scientifically too? How does it sticks to my hand? Anyways, twist off to unfold it. You see, I got a little white spot in here and red circle. It doesn't hurt. This is just blood coming. It's not painful at all, but it's gonna go away pretty soon. But isn't kind of funny?